Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about by discover 10 unique Halloween events in Chicago that's thrill and chill. So let's start my video. Discover 10 unique Halloween events in Chicago that's thrill and chill. Summary: experience the spooky side of Chicago with haunted sewers and ghost hunted through some of the city's most haunted locations. These Halloween events are perfect for paranormal enthusiasts and offer the unique way to explore Chicago's dark past. From walking tour, the bus tour, and even the haunted city exploration game, there are plenty of options for a thrilling Halloween adventure in the Windy City. Famous of being one of the most beautiful ecotourism destinations to visit in the U.S., Chicago in the air around destination with plenty of things to see and do. Autumn is the great time to explore the city and Chicago since the season is underway. Travelers are looking for ways to celebrate Halloween. Fortunately, numerous spooky adventures and supernatural events elevate their thrill in the season. Chicago is brimming with haunted location, spin chilling movie and ghost tour to help vacationers get through the season. Discover 10 unique Halloween events in Chicago that's thrill and chill. Gangster and Ghost Tour in Chicago. Gangster and Ghost Tour in Chicago allows visitors to have beautiful experience of one of the most beautiful U.S. destinations. The tour takes one of back in the 1920s, allowing them to explore part of Chicago dark past. On this tour, visitors will listen to some of the most frightening tales about the gangster, the history of the Windy City. The tour also passes through some of the city's most haunted locations as the tour guided narrate the ghost stories connected to each other. Some of the places to stop by include the Loop, Millennium Park, Palmer House, Hilton Historic Lobby, Chicago, Riverwalk, Cloud Gate and Chicago Theater, and the Congress Plaza Hotel and Convention Center. Tour Gangster and Ghost Tour in Chicago. Cost $35.78. Duration 2 hours. Windy City Ghost Huntings of Chicago by U.S. Ghost Adventures. Step back in the time when Chicago was a gangster city is the Windy City Ghost Hunting of Chicago by a U.S. Ghost Adventure. A small group walking toward the meeting points point in at the Lincoln parking neighborhood where they can wait for the journey to begin. After dark during the adventure, Victorians will pass through some of the spookiest locations including burial grounds, theater and pubs, among others. This is one of the incredible way to enjoy a personalized experience of Chicago. Tour Windy City Ghost Hunting of Chicago by U.S. Ghost Adventure. Cost from $25.76. Duration 1 hours. Chicago Huntings Original Bus Tour lasting between 2.5 hours and 3 hours. Chicago Hunting Original Ghost Bus Tour is a perfect Halloween event that's perfect the paranormal enthusiasts who get a chance to experience the city dark history, including some of the most haunting happened. While some of the stops include the city cemetery, the Berry Avenue, and the Levy Vice President. Tour Chicago Hunting Original Ghost Bus Tour. Cost from $66.43. Duration 2 hours 30 minutes. Lincoln Park Huntings Ghost Investigation Tour. Lincoln Park Hunting Ghost Investigation Tour is led by a paranormal investigators who help Victorians spot some ghosts throughout the tour. This is one of the neighborhoods from which Chicago has experienced some of the darkest time. One will learn about happenings such as the Great Fire of 1871, the St. Valentine Day Massacre, and the Suicide Bridge. The Old City Cemetery is among the places that tourists will stop by during this adventure. One of the things to learn about on this tour is using tools for detecting paranormal activities. Tour Lincoln Park Hunting Ghost Investigation Tour. Cost from $40.88. Duration 2 hours 15 minutes. Chicago Outdoor Escape Game Hunted City Exploration. Chicago Outdoor Escape Game Hunted City Exploration is a 2-in-1 smartphone excursion that allows visitors to play games on their phone while passing through some of the bucket list landmarks in Chicago to see at the least once this lifetime, including this Chicago History Museum, Lincoln Park Zoo, and Lincoln Museum. This is one of the most affordable adventure one can have in Chicago. In the fall, the tour starts at the Chicago History Museum. All one need to do is get there with a fully charged phone, open the app, then follow the instruction towards Chicago Outdoor Escape Game Hunted City. Cost $7.39. Duration 2 hours. The Devil in the White City, the Hunting Tour. The Devil in the White City, the Hunting Tour take the vegetarian through some of the vacation. Windy City is one of the spookiest cities in the US of the creepiest Halloween vacation. Tour The Devil in the White City, the Hunting Tour. Cost from $66.31. Duration 3 hours. 2 hours hunted Segway Tour of Chicago. The 2 hours hunted Segway Tour of Chicago is among of the best Halloween events. Stay-in is a great way to listen to some of the mysterious tales that are part of the Chicago dark history. 2 hours hunted Segway Tour of Chicago. Cost from $80.9. Duration 2 hours. Chicago Mobs and Hunts Walking Tour. Chicago Mobs and Hunted Walking Tours takes place 1.5 hour gathering of that with a tour guide narrating some of the city darkest secret. Tour Chicago Mobs and Hunts Walking Tours cost from $34.74. Duration 1 hour 30 minutes. Prairie Avenue Hunted History and Tour and Ghost Hunt. Prairie Avenue is always considered the original mineral rose and famous of its paranormal activity spotting by using ghost hunting tools. Tour Prairie Avenue Hunted History Tour and Ghost Hunt cost from $40.92. Duration 2 hours 20 minutes. Hunted Chicago Ghost and Pub Walking Tour. 100 Chicago Ghost and Pub Walking Tour. The Victorians travel back in time to in the tour package. Tour Hunted Chicago Ghost and Pub Walking Tour cost from $36.68. Duration 2 hours 30 minutes. We hope you like the item. We recommend it and discuss the affiliate and sponsored partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.